Prior to installation, consult and follow all conditions found at the end of this video. To install the PB Series round box, the following tools are needed: a measuring tape, a drill, both Phillips head and straight slot screwdrivers, and a 4-inch hole saw. To begin installation, position the floor box between the floor joists, at least 3.5 inches from the center of the cutout to the edge of the joist. Using a 4-inch hole saw, make an opening through the finished floor and subfloor. Remove the receptacle assembly from the box and set it aside for later use. There are several options for wiring. Prior to installation, contact your local electrical inspector to find out which wiring methods are approved for the area of installation. The first and quickest wiring method is to use Romex, sheathed wire cable. Bring the Romex sheathed wire cable up through the floor and insert into one of the clamp slots. Alternate wiring methods include approved round non-metallic sheathed cable using one of the round knockouts and an approved non-metallic cable connector. The PBR1 is equipped with 3 wing screws that will tighten against the underside of the subfloor, adding extra support. To allow the box to pass through the opening, fold the wing nuts inward and drop the box through the hole. After inserting the box completely in the opening, tighten the wing nut screws until they lock into place from below and the box is held firmly. Gently drill 1/8 inch pilot holes through the 5 openings on the flange of the box and fasten with the provided wood screws. Use caution when drilling and tightening the screws, as over-tightening could break the plastic flange. Connect copper wires to the device following electrical code guidelines and drop receptacle assembly into the box. Attach the assembly to the box using the 2 provided number 6 screws. Affix the grounding wire to the grounding screw on the receptacle assembly. Then complete the installation by attaching the supplied PBR cover. To correctly attach the cover, first install the provided number 8 screw that threads through the notch on the receptacle assembly and into the box. Then install the 2 remaining screws that thread into the box only. Before installation of the PB Series boxes, the following conditions are required. To ensure compliance with local electric codes, please contact your local electrical inspector prior to installation of the PB Series boxes. Do not install the PB box prior to electrical inspector authorization. Installation should only be done by a licensed electrical contractor. This product is designed for floor installation and indoor use only. All power must be turned off at its source prior to installation. Failure to do so may result in injury or death. Lou Electric Fittings Company accepts no responsibility if the above conditions are not met.